What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to block websites on your computer. This can be used for parental controls or just to keep yourself from going to, some annoying website like youtube.com. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to my lovely site, thomasb12.com, and you're just going to want to do /WebBlock. And it'll take you to this awesome page right here with some ones and zeros in the background. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coder or anything for this to work. I made a video a while back. It was kind of cringe because of how much work you had to do to actually block the website. So today, I'm going to showcase my amazing executable that just does it all for you. So, you can learn more about WebBlock. That's boring, so let's just download it right now. As you can see, it might say it isn't commonly downloaded. Make sure you trust it. Why don't we trust it? Make sure to click this show more, keep anyway. Alright, now we have this downloaded, but guess what? If you had the pesky little antivirus Windows thing pop up, get rid of it. It's not doing you any favors, it's not doing you any good. It's gonna say it's a Trojan. You know what? I'll show you exactly why this executable is not a Trojan. Because I just tried to download it on the computer I made this executable on, and guess what? It tried to block it. So, yeah, good job, Windows. You're saving us all. Oh yeah, good job, good job. Yeah, click run anyway. You want to click yes because the way this does its magical stuff is because it edits a special file on your computer that redirects domain names. And if you don't know what I'm saying, that's probably a good thing because I'm weird that I know that. So basically what it's doing is if you go to youtube.com, your device automatically sends it to, the IP, which is like the weird number thing. I'll show it up on the screen right now. It's that weird number thing. What it's going to do is it's going to take that IP and take that and get the web server data from there and give it to your computer. But what this is going to do is it's going to change whatever you set it to not go to that IP and go to a different IP. So you want to click yes. And as you can see, right here we have our website blocker. Might be a little small. That's fine. You can see the blocked websites. You can block a website, unblock a website. So let's just go ahead and try this right now. So if I want to block my favorite website, which is actually not youtube.com, sorry YouTube, it's called thomasb12.com. It's going to come up with this block website window. Just put in the website you want to block. Do not add the HTTPS, do not add the www. Just put the .com site, then click OK. It's going to say success, the website has been blocked unless you put in an invalid site or something like that. And you can click OK, and now if we go to show blocked sites, as you can see it shows the thomasb12.com and www.thomasb12.com. Now this does not block subdomains, so let's just say, like subdomains, what are those? If I had, let's say, a website on my site called subdomain.thomasb12.com, you could go to this subdomain and it would be fine. That's where you want to start adding subdomain.thomasb12.com if you really want to get that into it. But when you're blocking it, it's probably not going to be this involved. The person you're trying to block it from is probably not going to try to go to every single subdomain they can think of. So just block anything you feel might work for that. But finally, you're wondering if this actually works. But before you can do this and actually test if it works, you can't actually just go to it because there's a possibility it hasn't, refreshed its magic. So you're going to want to run command prompt as administrator because it needs special privileges to run this command. And we can do ipconfig /flush DNS. This flushes the DNS resolver cache. So, boom, we got that done. Now you can close out of this. If we open our browser back up and try to go to thomasb12.com, as you can see, it says, can't reach this page. It basically just sets it to localhost. And if we go to localhost right now, as you can see, there's nothing on it. You can see localhost is resolving to nothing. It says, can't reach this page, and that's the same exact thing you see on thomasb12.com. So now you have your website blocked, and you're like, oh no, what am I going to do? I want to unblock the website. Well, isn't that great? Because I have this feature called unblock website. Wow, I wonder what that does. So it has the same interface. Enter the website you want to unblock. thomasb12.com. I don't want it blocked anymore. It is my life. It is my website. I have to have it open for me to see. Success, the website has been unblocked. And now, if we try reloading, as you can see, the site is now back up. You can do this for as many sites as you want. And the nice thing is that WebBlock, even if you uninstall it and delete the exe, the executable file, it will still have the changes saved on the host file. So that's nice because then you can just delete the executable, and if you're like pranking someone, they'll never know it was there. And if it's parental controls, they'll never know how you did it, and they'll never know how to fix it. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Thomas B12.